Hey guys, this is Santos with Flashy Jewelry, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing today. I had done a prior video unboxing this Moissanite tennis bracelet, and today I'm gonna unbox some rings here. And you can see I have a sealed package here. Scratched my address off and stuff, so completely sealed. So we're gonna go get right to it. We're gonna get in there, see what this looks like. So I'm just gonna cut right at it. And let's see, guys, what these rings look like. Yeah, so like I said, I did the unboxing in the prior video for the bracelet. I'm happy with the bracelet, looks really good. And wow, rings they look nice. We'll see. Okay, so look at these things. Got them in a few sizes: 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we'll see what it consists of. I'm gonna try one on myself, see how it looks. I don't know my size, guys, so I'm just gonna hoping one of these actually fits me. So we'll see. And like I said, I'm gonna start with the 10, and we'll try it on. I think this is a little too small on me, but let's give it a shot. Yep, that one's too small on me. So if the 11 don't fit, I'm in trouble, guys. Hopefully this 11 fits. If not, I won't be the one sizing it. And I'll be bumming. But they do look nice. Let's see here. Okay. So the 11 fits. I think it looks pretty cool. Like, it is plated, like I said, silver plated. Looks pretty cool. Like, and I'm gonna rock this thing out, guys. So I guess I'm a size 11. And then I got this tungsten wedding ring, so I'm gonna put that away for a while, and I'm gonna rock out with this one, and we'll see. And I might put them on the website. It won't be too expensive, so you guys can check it out there. I'm gonna rock them out a few days, test them out, get them wet, all that good stuff. Make sure they're decent enough to sell at a pretty good price. So guys, like I said, I'm not gonna take too much of your time. Please support the website, flashyjewelry.bigcartel.com. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. Any of that good stuff, anything to help out the algorithm for the channel, please do. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. Santos with Flashy Jewelry. See you guys soon. Bye.